and there of people who you could see. And one of the examples I love is David's example. I keep asking myself, what audacity had David? But these are trained voices. And you know the truth, right? Not everybody gets that training. Do you know how I know? David's brothers did not get this training. They didn't have trained voices. They didn't have trained voice. So they didn't know that, okay, let me train my voice. So when it was time to bring Goliath's head down, okay. Please hit the subscribe button. I can see the comment section. Thank you for the compliments. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. All right. So I had to pause there too. Okay. Yes, let's continue. So David knew the importance